A demonstration of the Sharp XE-A203 cash register. This machine features a customer pop-up and turnaround swivel display, a full-size cash drawer, a single thermal printer and a 16 department one-touch department buttons which can go up to 99. To use the machine, you simply turn the key round to the register position and the display will come up. The display is a liquid crystal display. Simply enter the price of the products you wish to sell, not putting a decimal point in. So 199 for £1.99 and press department 1. As you can see, the display also has alpha characters on it and displays the price. Continue with this amount until you have finished the sale. Simply press subtotal and it will display the total amount required from the customer. Enter the amount of cash the customer has given you and press the TLNS button to complete the sale. The change is printed on the receipt and the receipt is printed out. We have other videos available on this site that shows how to change options and programming setup on this particular machine. The machine, like its larger brother, features a full-size cash drawer with 8 coin pots and 4 note holders, together with a separate vertical note holder for coupons or checks. These also have metal holders on them which tend to be a bit more robust than the plastic ones. Doing reports on the XE-A203 couldn't be easier. Simply take your key that's marked MA, place it into the machine and turn round to the X1, Z1 position. If you press the cash button now, you will simply get a reading that won't reset. This is useful if you want to know what your sales have been for that particular morning. If you want it to read and reset, you press the full stop button and then the cash button. A Z report is then printed out. Tool roll loading couldn't be easier as this machine features a thermal printer. Other videos on our site show how to load till rolls on this particular machine. The machine comes as standard with a 12-month on-site warranty that is provided by Sharpsterve. The till and till rolls are available from shopstuff.co.uk.